Hello. In this video, I will be examining the Trader's Dynamic Index Visual Alerts Indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator is based on the RSI indicator and displays a series of lines and signals for us here. First, it calculates the smoothed or smooth RSI, and using a formula and a period that we specify in the input creates a volatility band, similar to Bollinger Bands for us. It displays.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
The RSI period, which is marked here in blue, and we can see the middle line and the average of this band. Here in yellow, the green line is the RSI indicator, now smoothed with a period, and the red and turquoise lines are the signal lines with different periods. In the top right, it also displays the trend and issues a signal which can have different states such as weak, medium, and strong. Currently, it is a weak buy, and it also specifies the price at which this signal is set. Here, similarly, it can be strong, medium, or weak, whether downwards or upwards. Let's go through the settings of this indicator together. The first option in the settings, if set to true, will display this signal and trend here, but if set to false, we will not have them. The next option, if set to true, will play an audio file for us as an alert, but if set to false, it will only appear in written form on the screen. The next option is the shift to the left for these alerts. Whatever number we enter here, they will shift that many pixels to the left. The next option is the shift downward, where any number we enter will shift them downward by that amount. And these two numbers always are in pixels. The next option is the RSI period, which forms the base of this indicator, and the price on which the RSI performs calculations. We can choose this option from the available ones. The next option is the period of the volatility band, which is displayed in blue. The longer the period, the smoother these lines are, and the shorter the period, the more changes these lines will have. The next option is the RSI signal period, or the green line, which we can specify. We can also determine its calculations, specifying with what period and how it can be smoothed or flattened relative to the RSI. The next option is the red line signal period, which we can specify. The next option, if set to true, will display the second signal line, which is the turquoise line, but if set to false, it will not display it. If set to true, we can also specify the period of this signal line here. The last option is the number of candles that appear in the past chart and are used for calculations. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. In conclusion, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.